We're gonna put this display together. It's only gonna take a few minutes. I only have a couple of tips. A little bit of a cheat here. I have some tape and some double-sided tape. Actually, it makes it a lot easier. If you don't have it, you could use regular tape or no tape at all, but you'll see why in a few minutes. There are a couple things to note right out of the gates. These tabs need to go into the back here, so fold over the top, push that tab through there, and then roll that top over and pin that down in the corner. Do the same with this side. Just go ahead and tuck that as you're rolling in, and then fold right over the top. Pin those down in there. That step's done. Drop these guys here, fold over the top, press and close. So it's just your standard shell, 2 steps, and a ramp. And the ramp is not the fun part, so we'll do that last. We've got 2 different sizes of cardboard. Just use the bigger one first. That's the back step. You'll see all these creases. That sort of tells the story of where you're gonna fold this thing. And you'll fold that whole thing over itself. Tabs go right here. And the box itself sits right there in the back. Next one, bend over your tabs, and the whole thing just goes together. Just slide both of those in. Just punch that second tab in there, and there you go. You got your second shelf. That sits right down in there. Lastly, this one's a little annoying. There's 2 things you can do at this point. You can fold this thing together, fold these flaps down, and just sort of pressure fit the whole thing in, and it'll work. It seems to work most of the time. What I've been doing just to be safe, I just take a piece of tape, put it right over it, just so that it stays together in a nice way. And then I cheat with a little double-sided tape. You don't have to do this part. It just makes the whole display stick together better. I slide it in there to fit. Whole thing goes together just like this. You put 8 of your larges. These are all empty boxes here, so if anyone steals them, no big deal. And there it is. You got 12 of the smalls on top and 8 of the larges on the lower shelf. And the whole thing should stick together quite nicely. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I'm glad I got a chance to talk to you today, and I look forward to selling a lot of Spritzer with you.